何？お前はもう死んでいる。
Hello everyone, today I want to play as Bunny and I got chance be the core. Bunny is one of many underestimated hero in Mobile Legends. In Mythic rank, so many users doubt when someone trying to using Bunny. Not many users know that Bunny can give powerful damage to enemy. You can see here, first skill is shoot that will bounce to enemy and passive skill to give damage in around area. Bunny passive skill is really helpful to give high damage enemy around and it will give you health when you buy lifesteal item. You can use second skill to gain health and increase movement speed, and skill 1 long range attack to shoot that really helpful against Mage. You can use Bunny ulti to stun and knock back enemy. Don't forget to use second skill to increase movement speed to catch enemy hero. Always help your team when get ganked by enemy. And make sure you can kill enemy to get point, to get gold. And don't forget to push and destroy enemy turret. At this moment, my teammate got ganked, and the problem is, my other teammate still AFK, and I'm sure I will get killed when I join the war, so I decide to defend, rather get died for nothing. Here, I got trapped by Akai, but Tigreal tried to help me, and that's really good thing. Tigreal really useful here. And now it's time to catch Cyclops that push in top line. Here, I want to take Lord because it's hard to push tower with 4 ally. But this is will fail because the enemy has come here. So I decide to clear the line and get more gold, and as you can see, Selena is offline and it's a bot and they gank Selena. That's really useful AI, and then I can take all of them here with my team help. And now we can take the Lord without this troop by enemy. And now it's time to gank enemy. Actually, you can use ulti to cancel ulti Akai. And when you health was going low, just escape and don't try to war anymore. Bunny passive skill is really useful. You can see the damage here. Don't forget use second skill to increase movement speed and catch the enemy. And remember, when your enemy trying to escape, use first skill to shoot and bouncing to long range attack. Here I'm not really see that my teammate was going back, and I trap here. As you can see, my passive skill can kill long range enemy. And now it's time to take Lord, but it seems that enemy want to disturb us. Hopefully I still have retribution to take the Lord. And now it's time to take revenge. Three enemy was eliminated, so it seems that we will win because we also have the Lord. Bunny is really effective hero to push the turret. Skill that Bunny have can use to push or protect turret. Lord destroy the turret, time for win. And that it is how to easily using Bunny with Assassin build and Bane core. And now it's time to check the damage statistic. The damage that Bane gives is really high. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. And if you know a better build for Bane, please write the comment. And here you can see the Bane build. User Bane have high win rate. Thank you for watching and goodbye.